Hey there, trendsetters. Welcome to another Yaad events. We were at the Healthy Hair and Beauty Expo recently, and Jamaican hairstylist of D. Marie Institute gave an informative presentation on 6 quick and easy measurements to take when making a custom wig. We thought we'd share that presentation with you, so stick around and learn how you can make your very own custom wig.
My name is Yasheika Cummings, and I'm super excited to be here today to speak with you on the basic of wig making. So the first thing that we would want to do when we're going to make a custom wig, we would need measurement. Measurement is very important, because if you want your wig to look flat, flawless on your head, you definitely have to take your measurement. So I'm going to do 6 quick and easy measurements on my model hair, same client, on my model hair, and you will see how you would do your measurement to make your custom wig. So the first thing that you would need in order to start doing your measurements is our tape measure. And the first measurement out of the 6 measurements is the circumference of the head. So you would place your tape measure starting at number 1 on the tape measure. You would place it at the front of the hairline and take it all the way around the circumference, and the measurement you get, you will jot that down. And our second measurement is front to nape. So you would place the tape measure where your hairline starts at the front and take it all the way down to where the hair stops at your nape, and that would be your second measurement. The third measurement would be hair to hair across forehead, and that will decide on how much lace you would need to make your wig. So I would place it right at the front of the hairline from one hair to next hair, and that would be the measurement for the hairline. And our fourth measurement would be hair to hair over head top, just like an earphone. And that would be your fourth measurement. And your fifth measurement would be temple to temple. So remember, always starts at number 1. For all the measurements, you're going to start at number 1 on the tape measure. So you would place it at your temple and take it around your head and meet it to the next temple, and that's where you'll get your 5th measurement. And the 6th and final measurement is nape of neck, which you would start where the hair is at your nape and take it across to the next nape, and that will be your 6th and final measurement. These measurements are very important. If you don't want to be walking with your wig either catching halfway on your head or it could fall off your head, you definitely have to do these measurements. They are very important. So today I just want to ask a question. Can I get like 3 reasons why a woman wear wigs? Come, 3.
One reason is as a protective style. Another reason if they have alopecia. Another reason is if the hairstyle is too rough on your hair, you just use the wig instead.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So there you have it, trendsetters. I hope you found this information useful. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next Yaad event. One love.